Forget everything you knew about the Google Pixel Fold. The new deep breath Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold shares perhaps one thing with its predecessor, the fold in the name, and that is for the better. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold renders the original Fold a prototype at best. The aspect ratio that didn't work for some popular apps like Instagram, two large black bezel around the main screen, and the phone's inability to lie completely flat when unfolded are mercifully gone. Google's new Fold is taller, much thinner, and noticeably lighter than its first attempt, where the Pixel Fold reminded me, and not necessarily in a good way, of Microsoft's failed Duo device. The new Pixel 9 Pro Fold reminds me of a flagship Pixel 8. In fact, the 6.3-inch cover screen is a duplicate of the one you'll find on the new Google Pixel 9. Google announced the Pixel 9 Pro Fold alongside the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL on August 13. It's on pre-sale now and arrives on store shelves on September 4, 2024. It starts at $1,799 for a 256GB model with 16GB of RAM and is available in Obsidian and Porcelain. I prefer the Obsidian, which offers a deep, inky black that could only be described as sexy. Those prices make Google's new foldable cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, although not by much. A multi-purpose foldable phone will remain a considered purchase for some time to come. The name of this phone might seem long and less than memorable, but I think it's accurate. This is a folding premium or pro phone. Instead of standing apart from all the Pixel 9 phones, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold fits in well with the rest of the lineup. Overall, this is a redo done right job. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks like a regular smartphone when closed and opens into a mini tablet. The screens are sharp and bright and appear responsive. The cameras are decent if not groundbreaking, but as an overall dual-purpose package with a lot of baked-in AI, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will, even at $1,799 probably appeal to a lot of would-be foldable phone buyers who should keep an eye out for trade-ins and other deals that will lower the price barrier to entry. I would not be surprised if it ends up near the top of our best foldables list.